Hello guys, welcome to Invest Trading Places. My name is Coco Eakin, and as you know, here on Invest Trading Places, we seek to bring you up to date with online investment and trading opportunities, and as well keep you abreast with latest scams and the rest of them. Now, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to us by clicking on the red button down below. And of course, you can always reach us by email. You can email us on investtradingplaces@gmail.com. We are always open to hearing from you. And of course, if we have to, we shall reply to you. Welcome, guys. Welcome back, guys. Today we shall be reviewing a website called topazinvesto.com, as requested by Sandra from Melbourne. She asked that we look into it and give our own take on this investment platform. Okay, guys, so in topazinvesto.com, right here on the official site, as you can see, topazinvesto.com, doesn't waste too much time. Straight off the bat, they want you to get started by investing, by registering basically. And what it entails, they require you to put in your details. To create an account, you need to put in personal information like your name and the rest of them. Now they hit you straight up with payment information. They also require that you know, make put in your details for payments. Well, no problems about that. But let's go back to the front page. Here they say because money doesn't come with instructions, so you should just get right to it. What they are offering, their investment plan, they have a couple of them here. Plan one offers a 20% return on investment hourly for 6 hours, and you can get into this investment with a minimum amount of $1. Then there's a plan two which offers 15% and an hourly payback rate, 12 hours hourly, minimum investment of $1, and it goes on with plan three, plan four, and the rest of them. Now, if we scroll down, let's find out what Topaz Investor is about. Now, let's go this way. Topaz Investment. At first, it's the risk assessment. We carefully examine and evaluate projects for a variety of parameters. On the basis of this, formed presumptive terms for receiving profit and risk. As you know, participation in a variety of projects and high experience allows fairly accurate estimation. Well, guys, I don't want to waste your time with this, but the first thing that hit me with this investment platform is the fact that they seem not to get their grammar correct. There's a lot of issues with grammar, with typo, as you can see here. At first, it is the risk assessment. We carefully examine and evaluate projects for a variety of parameters on the basis of this formed presumptive term. There's a whole lot of it if you go all the way down. Secondly, it's diversification. No matter how good is your risk assessment methodology, actually it should be no matter how good your risk assessment methodology is, anyway, there's a whole lot of it all the way down. Therefore, all the invested funds are redistributed among the many projects we have selected. We study the market every day, find and evaluate new potential projects. Diversification, this is the easiest and most reliable method of risk. There it says to pass investor provides a wide range of services and all of that all the way down. Now, first of all, guys, like I said, the first problem I have with this platform is the grammatical errors. It might not really be anything, it might not really be a major factor, but I seem to look at the details because it's the saying that says the devil is in the detail. And if you intend to, if this is a website that expects you, an investment platform that expects you to trust them with their funds, I want to believe that they should be a little bit more articulate, because it's going to reflect in the way they're going to manage your funds. Now, at the same time, there's no mention here in particular about how they are going to manage these funds, how they're going to invest your funds, how they want to diversify your funds, where they shall be diversifying the funds into. There's a whole lot of talk about investing and diversifications and their expertise and all of that, but no specific mention of how they intend to do that, where they intend to do that, and so on and so forth. Okay, guys. Now, the second thing that got my attention with Topaz Investo is yeah, why choose us? All right, why choose us? All right, they say they are a legal company, registered company, fair. They also say they have the SSL. All right, and if you look down here, it says strong SSL. Welcome to Demo Company Limited, in the first investment company with larger profit. So don't lost your time and change your lifestyle. We have SSL from Komodo, DDoS protection, reliable and profitable plan. Here again, guys, you know, you just struck out the fact that they are not attentive to grammar and there's a lot of typos. Welcome to Demo Company Limited, in the first investment company with larger profit. So don't lost your time, guys. Come on, that there is just a red flag to me. It doesn't sit well with me. Okay, Sandra, it doesn't sit well to me. All right. Now, of course, like most of the usual suspects, they have the testimonial bits where they like in this case it shows latest withdrawals and latest investments. Now, Sandra, this has not changed from when I logged in for the first time. That was like 2 days ago. It's basically been the same thing. No additions, no subtractions. The same people have withdrawn, the same people have invested the same amount and all of that. Well, who knows really? Maybe it's just a lag in system or something. Maybe the system is yet to update or whatever, but that to me doesn't sit well. Okay, now again, they also say that they have best support, experience high quality customer support and services with Topaz Investo. Now, if you go down here to leave a message with these guys, ever since I logged in here and I tried to contact them, it has been the same thing. Our agents are not available right now. Please leave a message and we'll get back to you. That should not be a case for guys that are, you know, professing that they have the best support. Okay, it doesn't sit well with me. I mean, like for 3 days now, their agents have not been available, and this is supposed to be like real time investment in a sense. You ought to be able to reach them at any time you want to. So it did not sit too well with me. And even when you go um, to contact them, like the contact page. Okay, so here they say their address is on the ground floor of Warwick House, Banbury Road, Southam in England. It struck me. If this is an English company, I mean, it's a no-brainer. They should have some level of proficiency in English, right? But that's not been the case, as you guys have seen, with all the grammatical errors and all of that. But then, who am I to judge? Okay, now they have here an email address. I sent an email to them. I'm yet to get a reply. There's a phone number which I called and it rang true, but nobody picked. But maybe they were just on a break or something. But then another thing is, why would they have only one phone number? I mean, how do they expect to manage all the clients that will be calling in, every time with just one phone number? That did not really sit well with me, Sandra. I would love you, Sandra, to go through this website, probably try to read them like I have, and don't just take my word for it, girl. But I I would discourage you. All right, I would discourage you about. I think it would be a wrong choice, a bad move to invest with these guys. Okay, then it's just a red flag to me. There's no need going further. Okay, because they really don't have anything they don't have much information to give. All right, they just basically want you to get started, and to get started, you need to put in your register on the platform as usual by creating an account, and of course payment information, putting your details for payments. That's just about it. The only information we know about these guys is the fact that they claim to be an investment platform and that they can manage your funds, with less risk and provide more profits. But they have not specified exactly how they were going to manage your funds, how they're going to invest these funds. Okay, there's no, are they going to trade with it? Are they going to invest in oil? Are they going to invest in cryptocurrencies? Are they going to invest in forex? What exactly are they going to do? There's no mention of that. You guys can take some time if you have some time and go through the About Us page of topazinvestor.com. There is no mention whatsoever of how they intend to invest your funds. I don't need to go further, Sandra. This here is the law of red flags everywhere. Okay, so it's a no-no for me. Okay, so there you go, guys. Topazinvestor.com doesn't really sit well with me. Sandra, it doesn't sit well with me. Okay. Um, Take a second look before you jump in, guys. Always have your thinking cap on, all right? And if you must invest, then it's only proper that you do it right. And of course, why not the Calloway software? You guys know the Calloway software, right? The Calloway software is proven, it is tested. We are making money from it. Many people are making money from it, okay? And if you don't know about it, you can check it out down in my description box. You'll find the link. Go and find out for yourself. Like I always say, don't take my word for it. Go find out for yourself. And safe investment, guys. Okay, always have your thinking cap on. Now if this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to us by clicking on the red button below. And if you have any questions, if there are any comments, if you wish to reach us, you can email us on investtradingplaces@gmail.com. Thank you for your time, guys. Till next time. Ciao.